Welcome back, guys. I'm Nick from ACTIV Chiropractic, and today I'm going to show you how to do some foam rolling on the IT band. Now, the IT band is actually attached from your TFL and your glute max muscles, so it's very important to work on those muscles as well. Now, the IT band can actually get fibrous and thicken, and if it thickens and gets fibrous, when you run and it rubs it against your knee. So even if you're squatting, it can cause a lot of pain and inflammation as well. So a great way to prevent the pain and inflammation is to loosen it up with a foam roller.
So this is ischemic compression. This is a soft tissue technique that's done by manual therapists and chiropractors and masseuses. So what the technique does is basically block the blood that goes into the area. And once the pressure is taken off, there'll be a resurgence of local blood flow back into the area. What this does is decreases spasming and increase blood flow into the area, therefore recovery rate as well. As a result, the pain will diminish too. So just place the foam roller just above the knee on the outside where the iliotibial band is and hold it for about 20 long breaths or 60 seconds, and do this about 3 to 4 times. You can also do this along the quadriceps on the outside, which may affect the knee pain as well, especially if you've got some patellar tracking disorder. Don't forget to repeat this process along the iliotibial band, going from the bottom upwards. Foam rolling the ITB. This is the outside of your thigh above the knee joint. While supporting on one elbow and one knee, this will ease off the force on your thigh, and therefore the pain is less as well. Do about 20 to 30 strokes along the ITB band, and make sure you do it on the other leg as well. Do this about 3 or 4 times. This technique will break up sticky adhesions along the IT band, which can cause friction and inflammation during excessive activities. This is a similar way to do ischemic compression on the TFL. The TFL is attached from the bony prominence on the outside of your thigh and then attaches to your iliac crest, which is your hip bone. The TFL is actually a muscle that is directly attached to the ITB. The TFL tendon actually becomes the ITB band. So it's a good idea to loosen up this muscle too. Do about 20 to 30 pivots and repeat the process 3 to 4 times. Tfl Foam Rolling. Like I said before, the TFL is actually attached to the ITB band, and so it's also important to foam roll as well. Place the foam roller between the bony prominence of the outside of the thigh and your iliac crest, which is your hip bone. Roll up and down on the TFL in a similar fashion as the ITB band foam rolling. This is similar to a massage technique called muscle stripping, which goes up and down the muscle as well.
Guys, if you do have knee pain, it could be possibly coming from your foot or your spine or your lower back. So it's best to see a chiropractor or a physician to get yourself checked out. Now, if you do have knee pain and you want to strengthen your knees up, check out my 10 best knee exercises or my 4 exercises for VMO. Now, if you really want to support my channel, hit like, hit subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll try my best to reply to them.